Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a homemade anti-aging and anti-pigmentation cream using grapes. This is the grapes I have, which is reddish in color. You can use any grapes which is available with you. This contains a lot of vitamins and potassium. It has magnesium and selenium too. The most important ingredient of this is the flavonoids, which is the most powerful antioxidant, which helps to protect the skin from pollution and damage. This also helps to repair collagen and reduce pigmentation. So I have grapes which I have cleaned, and I'm going to take at least 2 to 3 ripe grapes and squeeze it in a bowl. You need to squeeze it thoroughly so that you can extract the juice and also the pulp of the grapes, which can be made into the cream. So after extracting the juice of these grapes, I'm going to just use a slight pressure, or I'm going to use a roller to crush it and extract the maximum juice from it. So the next ingredient would be some face oil. I am using my favorite face oil. You can also use almond oil or coconut oil, which is good for your skin. So I am using 2 tablespoons of this face oil, and I'm going to use a double boiler method. Using a double boiler method, I'm going to incorporate the properties of the grapes into the oil. So here I have a pan where the water is boiling, and I'm going to place this bowl which has oil and the grape pulp, and I'm going to cook it or let it simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes until the oil changes color. Well, the oil is getting ready. I am going to make other ingredients. This is the beetroot powder, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to dilute this with the plain water. You can also use rose water. This is just to give the color to the cream, and also this will brighten your face when you use this. So that is totally optional. Next is the licorice powder, 1 teaspoon. If you don't have this, you can also use sandalwood powder. This will help to diminish the appearance of under eye circles and also discoloration and age spots. This will also help reduce pigmentation. The next is the important ingredient is the vitamin E capsule, which will moisturize your skin. And the main ingredient of this whole cream is the aloevera gel, 2 tablespoons. Again, this is a very good ingredient for skin, and it is important to make this cream. So if we check on the oil, so you can see that the color of the oil has changed. It is turned into a light purple color. That is because of the properties of the grapes which is incorporated in the oil. So this is ready. You can remove it from the fire and cool it. So the method is to mix all the ingredients. First 1 teaspoon of licorice powder, then 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and few drops of this beetroot juice, which can give color to the cream. If you don't have beetroot juice, you can also use few strands of saffron can be added to get the desired color. Since I'm adding beetroot juice, this color may change to dark purple in color. So once you mix everything up, the cream is almost ready. If you touch that cream, you can see that it is quite rough because of the licorice powder. After you store this cream in a container, that roughness may disappear. So it's time to add the oil. You can see that the color of the oil is changed into light purple. This is because of the grape juice properties of the grape juice in the oil. Add a 1/4 teaspoon and mix it thoroughly. You can also add 1 capsule of vitamin E. All these ingredients put together will give you that smooth finish on your skin, and it will help to reduce pigmentation, and it will also reduce wrinkles, blemishes, and also sunspots. So use this cream during the night time. After you cleanse your face, take a teaspoon or take a pinch of this cream, apply all over your face, and you can wash the face next morning. You can also use this as a pack. Just you can apply it a thick layer on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Just give it a quite light massage, and you can wash off. So this cream can be used in 2 different ways, as a face pack and also as a leave-on cream. So this is a very good cream for people suffering from sun damage and pigmentation. So try this cream and see how it works for you. If you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please share, and if you are any doubts, please comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.